My name is Kathy Offinger, and I'm at the Woods Hole Oceanographic Institution on Cape Cod, where I'm the manager of operations for the Deep Submergence Group. I was fortunate to be on the discovery cruise of the RMS Titanic, which we discovered on September 1st, 1985. The Titanic was discovered in 1985 by a team of researchers from Woods Hole and from France. It was a joint venture between these two countries. It took a long time for the Titanic to be discovered. Many other groups had attempted, but due to the great depth where the Titanic was located, almost 2.5 miles down on the seafloor, the technology just had not been developed until the mid-1980s, where we could actually send vehicles down to the seafloor and search for the Titanic.